Okay, we are back. Welcome everyone to the Acropolis Greens basketball gym here in Acropolis subdivision, Quezon City. So our first game for today, it is Griffins versus...
Pero makakapasok sila sa first fight. This is the first fight. First half. Hindi, nandito na sila. Yung jersey lang yung wala. Bali, ipasok nila. Okay. Textikan na lang po. Pakagulo na lang. Pero okay lang pa makakala. Pwede lang po paglaro. Textikan na lang. That's why ito makasabay na dalawang 6.
Okay,
makasabay na same number.
So we are underway here. Griffins versus the Hornets. At may foul agad na tinawag sa Griffins. Gumila will shoot 2 shots. First free throws no good. So again, this is the first game of week 2. Hornets in their dark green jerseys, and then white jerseys naman with blue shorts ang Griffins. Gumila second free throws good, so 1-0 is our score. Griffins draw first blood. Here's Lunar, player of the game last game, to Rojas. Rojas back to Lunar. Lunar for 3. No good. Rebound for the Hornets. Formula, no good. Put back by Francis Maluntad with the put back. So it's 3-0 Hornets. 9:20 left in our first quarter. 3 points for number 4. Wala. Rebound Maluntad. Maluntad forward pass to Gumila. Here's Cruz. No good. Rebound kasi Tarado yung naka-rebound. Number 4. 3 points. Wala. Rebound Maluntad again. Sorry, the start ng Maluntad. Si ano yan? Ayan, si Maluntad nga yun. Number 28. That is Jay Firmalo. 5-0. Di pa nakascore ang Griffins. And finally, they score. That's Ice Terado with a basket. 5-2 is the score. 8 minutes, 20 seconds left in our first quarter. Juarez to... and a foul underneath on a Griffins player. Foul number 6.
Foul number 6, is first.
So 2 shots for Joshua Gumila. First free throws good. Second free throw is no good. Pero nakuha ni Firmalo ang rebound. Another chance for the Hornets to score. Juarez to that is Gio Nomo. This is the 3-pointer. So 6-2 is the score. Lamang pa rin ang Hornets. Jumper is good for Ryan Ross. 6-4.
This is 6-4 Hornets.
Firmalo. Takes the jumper off the glass. Wala. Rebound by Lunar. Here comes Griffins. 2-on-2. Blocked by Firmalo. Nice defensive play there. And taken by Cruz. Nomo. 2 points. Gio Nomo with a basket. 8-4. 7 minutes and 17 seconds remaining in our first quarter. That turnaround is good for Joshua Lunar. 8-6. 7 minutes left in our first quarter. Cruz bringing down the ball. Screen ni Firmalo. Cruz, drop pass to Nomo. May depensa doon, nilabas. 3-pointer, no good. Rebound by Juarez. Juarez with 10 to shoot. Firmalo takes the jumper. Wala. Rebound Ross. Behind the back pero miscue there. Nauna na konti si Lunar. So it's a turnover for the Griffins. 6 minutes and 19 seconds left in our first quarter. 8-6 lamang ang Hornets. Ang Griffins. Sorry, ang Hornets na lamang. Kasi parehong may pakpak eh. Cruz. Lumabas. 10 on their shot clock. Nomo. 15-footer. Wala. Rebound. Last touch for Lunar. So, Hornets ball pa rin. 14 to shoot. 5 minutes and 50 left in the first quarter. Cruz with a sidestep. Wala. Nomo with the rebound. Nomo to Juarez. 10 to shoot. Gumila for 3. Short. Rebound Lunar. Patakbo ang Griffin. Rojas 1 on 3. Doesn't have the number. Sa labas muna. Balik kay Lunar. Lunar fakes. Lunar fall away. No good. Rebound Cruz. Cruz 2 on 2. Cruz all the way. Wala. Rebound Abanya to Silva. Silva pulls up for 3. No. Rebound Firmalos. Here's Firmalo. Takes it all the way. No good. That's his own miss. Ayun. And your mandatory substitutions for both teams. So it's 10-6 in favor of the Hornets. 4 minutes and 47 left in the first quarter. So, change 5 tayo. Nakascore yung Hornets. So, Griffins will have possession. Wala nito.
Sir, ano po ng pantalla at saka...
Number, isa.
0 na lang po yung pantalla, 0.
Technical tayo. Uniform.
Kaso, since 2 players don't have their uniforms, technical foul yan. So, I believe that's two technical free throws. So, Nieto will shoot the technical free throws. Umpisa ang una. One out of 2. So 10-7, bola pa rin ng Hornets, ng Griffins. Since the Hornets made the last shot before the substitution. Silva will inbound. They're down by 3 points. 4 minutes and 46 left in our first quarter. Rojas for 3. No good. And rebound dyan. Magpunta bola sa Hornets. Hornets now with possession. Santos. Hornets swinging the ball. Number 91, that is Valencia, misses. Here's Nieto. Nieto loses it. Matapik sa likod. Is it turnover? Good turnover. Kuha ni Bautista to Santos. Santos download to Bautista. Fakes. Binalik kay Santos. Nice unselfish play there for the Hornets. 12-7. We have a 5-point lead and bola ng Griffins there. Nice ginulo yung inbounds doon. So 3 minutes and 42 seconds left in the first quarter. 5 points ang lamang ng Hornets. Rojas jumper, no good. Rebound Cardenas with 10 to shoot. Cardenas, no good. Rebound the Hornets. Mga takbo ngayon. Here's Bautista to and he's fouled. It's Paul Pantalla. So Paul Pantalla to the line for 2 shots. First free throw is no good. One more shot for Pantalla. Pantalia, second free throw, wala. Rebound by Nieto. Here's Silva. They're down by 5 points. 12-7. 3 minutes 10 left in our first quarter. Here's Rojas. Rojas to Cardenas. Cardenas will set up the play. Cardenas being guarded by Bautista. They have 10 to shoot. Oy, bad pass. Here's Valencia. Valencia will go all the way. Oy, ano yung layup doon? Maling pektos. Here's Silva. Silva with a floater. It's good. Sa LA Silva. 12-9 now sa scored. Pabasa tatlo lamang ng Hornets. Uy, behind the back for Santos. Valencia to Pantalia is good. Paul Pantalia gets the basket. 14-9. Hornets still with a 5-point lead. 2 minutes 20 seconds left sa ating first quarter. It's Rojas. Rojas being guarded by Santos. 10 to shoot. Rojas with a 3-pointer. Wala. And last touch yun ng Griffiths. Ball will go to the Hornets. So 2 minutes left in our first quarter. 5 lamang ng Hornets. Bautista. Down low to Valencia. It's good. Nice seal there by Valencia. Gets the 2. 16-9. 7-point lead na ang lamang ng Hornets. Cardenas gets the screen from Espina. Cardenas down low to Silva. Silva, no good. Rebound. Nieto. Nieto with a jump shot, no good. Rebound Valencia. Valencia forward pass to Bautista. Bautista almost loses it. And ayun na nga, napuruhan na. So it's a turnover. Bola ng Griffins. 1 minute and 14 left in the first quarter. So Cardenas with 1 minute left in the first quarter. Here's Nieto. 10 to shoot. Nieto for the long 2 is good. Long 2 for Ian Nieto. 16 to 12. Dapat 11 lang ata yun. 16 to 11. 3-pointer for the Hornets. Wala. Here's Cardenas. Cardenas down low. Turnover. 2 points lang yung kanina. 2 points lang. Valencia down low to Santos. Easy 2. Santos down low. 18-11 and Griffins should go for the last shot here. Silva to Rojas. Rojas to map back. Jumper. Wala. Rebound Pantalia with 2 seconds left. And that will not count. So end of our first quarter. Score is 18-11. A 7-point lead for the Hornets.
Ang awit mo. Ako nga may gala, kaya nagmamadali ako.
Okay, so about to start our second quarter. Okay, napito ang lamang ng Hornets. 18-11.
Start of our second quarter.
So we start our second quarter. Nag-aabol lang Griffins. They are down by 7 points. They have possession. Abando misses. So bola ngayon ng Hornets. Here's Alonzo. Alonzo down low. Uy, natapikan ng pasa. That is almost a turnover. Here's Abangan. Uy, left wing 3. Pasok yon for Gio Nomo. It's the 3-pointer. So it's a 21-11. 10-point lead for the Hornets. Lunar babawi. Wala. Rebound Nomo. Nomo stolen by Cardenas. Cardenas. Jumper. Wala. Rebound Alonzo. Alonzo with a rebound. Alonzo to Nomo. Nomo back-to-back 3-pointers ba? No. Rebound Fernalo pala. Fernalo. Alonzo. Time to shoot with the floater. Pasok. Elijah Alonzo with a floating one-handed in the lane. 23-11. The mga Hornets. 8 minutes and 37 left in the first quarter. Terrado. Ay wala. Si ano pala yun? Maluntad misses. Here comes the Hornets. Oy, underneath Nomo, bahadong malalim. Abando with the rebound. Cardenas to Abando. Abando with 12 to shoot. Runner in the lane, wala. Rebound Fernalo. Fernalo to Alonzo. Oy, muntik pang almost lost his footing there, but he gets the layup. So Elijah Alonzo makes it a 14-point lead. This is the biggest lead of the game. We have a timeout on the floor called by the Griffins. It's 25-11 with 8 minutes exactly left in our second quarter. Okay, back after the timeout. The Griffins are down by 14 points, 25-11. So here's Cardenas, Lunar for 3. No good. Rebound by the Hornets. Matakbo sila ngayon. Oy, nice fast break. Nomo. Nice passing there for the Hornets. 27-11. 16 points na ang lamang. The Griffins better do something soon. Baka matuloy sila matambakan dito. 3-pointer, wala. Rebound. Abangan. There's Abangan. Oy. Almost another bubble there, pero basket by Gio Nomo. Biggest lead of the game, 18 points. The Griffins are in a big hole right now. Hornets are in a very, very good group offensively. Cardenas, uy, turnover, bad pass. Attack pa na naman ng Hornets. 3-on-1. Nomo is good. Gio Nomo with the basket. And 20 na tong lamang ng Hornets. 31-11. 6 minutes and 39 left in our second quarter. Oh, behind the back pass. Lunar. Wala pa rin. Joshua Lunar not getting things to go in this first half. Back-to-back missed threes there. Here come the Hornets. Alonzo, uy. Nonchalant jumper doon. Wala yon. Rebound Lunar. Forward pass to Cardenas. Malakas yung pasa. So another turnover for the Griffins. It has not been a very good first half for the Griffins. 6 minutes left in our first half. 20 po lamang ng Hornets. There's Abangan to Hubahib, who checked in the game. Abangan for 3. Abangan hits the 3-pointer. 34-11. Medyo ano na to, blowout na to. Uy, all board doon by Esteves. Uy, saved there by Lunar. Lunar, uy! Hindi nga lang na-secure ang bola. So it's another turnover for the Griffins. Score, it is a 23-point lead for the Hornets, 34-11. Alonzo for 3, wala. Nomo, siya naman ang susubok. Wala pa rin. Rebound, Lunar. Lunar, uy, bad pass. And Firnalo with the basket. So it's our mandatory substitution at the 5-minute mark. It's now a 25-point lead for the Hornets. Mandatory sub tayo. So it's now a 36-11 lead for the Hornets. Everything going their way here in the first half. Let's see if the Griffins can make it a manageable lead here bago mag-halftime. Silva to Rojas. Rojas nilabas.
10 seconds to shoot.
10 their shot clock. Rojas pa din. Rojas trying to manufacture a shot. Pero hindi pumasok kanyang 3-pointer. Here come the Hornets. Juarez. Off of last touch siya. Off the not so good pass, so turnover. Griffins have possession. Abanya to Nieto. Again, medyo malaki-laki itong inabot nila. 25 to. Silva. To Rojas. Jumper. Short. Rebound. Valencia. Fernandez to Santos. Santos nilabas. Juarez down low to Valencia. Sa ilalim to De San Andres with the basket. That is Jonel De San Andres. So 38-11. A 27-point lead for the Hornets. They have just blown this game wide open now. Monty pa yung turnover. Abanya for 3. Finally, the Griffins get a basket to go. 38-14. Malayo-layo pa itong kahabulin nila. Juarez to Santos to Valencia. Muscles his way through with the hook shot. Lance Valencia gives the Hornets a 26-point lead again, 40-14. 3 minutes and 9 left in our first half. Ross misses. Here comes the Hornets. Layup is no good. Last touch ng Griffins. Oh, sorry. It's last touch for the Griffins. So 14 sa shot clock ng Hornets. Santos for 3. It's good. Everything falling for the Hornets. Christian Santos makes it a 29-point lead for the Hornets. 43-14. 2.5 left in our second quarter. At may foul na tinawag.
Foul number 41. First.
Rojas with the ball to Nieto, short. Rebound si Valencia. Here comes Juarez. Uy, all the way. Wala. Rebound Rojas. Forward pass to Silva. And foul there for Santos.
Foul number 21, Santos, second.
1 minute and 42 seconds left in our first half. 29 na itong kalamangan ng Hornets. Rojas for 3, no. Hornets with another rebound. They'll push. Juarez to Santos. To Fernandez. Santos, oop. Bad pass. Too much passing there. Abanya Abanya to tres. No good. Kanya pa rin ang rebound. 2 points for Daniel Abanya. 43-16. 1 minute left in our second quarter. Valencia hook shot down low. Lance Valencia. 29 points ulit to 45-16. 48 seconds left in our second quarter. Silva. Jump shot. Wala. Rebound de San Andres. Here's Suarez. Pupush. To Santos. Santos to Valencia. Oop. Bad pass there. Turnover. Abanya to Rojas. Rojas to Terrado. 2 points for Ice Terrado. 20 seconds left. Looks like Hornets will go for the last shot here. They have been in control for the first half. For the entire first half. That's why it shows that they have a 27-point lead. Juarez to Santos. They have 6 to shoot. Bautista pala to, sorry. Bautista. Wala. And that will end our first half. Hornets with total domination here in the first half. They lead 45-18. Naka-record naman. Okay, so I think we're back live. Sorry for the technical difficulties. So it's a 27-point lead pa rin ng Hornets. Wala naman kayo masyadong na-miss. Rebound Fernalo. Ball will go back to the Hornets. May sub na pumasok for the Griffins. Okay, so again we're back. Umila, fakes. Malaksak. Passes it to Bahib. Wala. Rebound Abando. Abando tumatakbo. 1-on-3. Sinarili na niya. John Abando with the basket. 43-28. Still a 25-point deficit for the Griffins. Alonzo to Hubahib. Hubahib to Pantalya. Gumila for 3. Malakas. Rebound Rojas. Rojas. Oy, 3-pointer. No good. Rebound ni Lunar. Abanya for 3. Short. Rebound Pantalya. Pantalya to Gumila. Back to Pantalya. Back to Firmalo. Nice execution there of the fast break for the Hornets. 50-23. It's a 27-point lead. 6:35 left in our third quarter na tayo, no? Third quarter. Alonzo with a Euro. Wala. Rebound Firnalo. Firnalo to Gumila. Does not get it to go. So, bola ngayon ng Griffins. Cardenas to Lunar. No good. And may foul na tatawag. And the Griffins will call a timeout. 27 points pa rin ang kanilang hinahabol. So back to the ball game. Third quarter, 6 minutes and 4 seconds left. Abando, 3 points, wala. So babalik ang bola sa Hornets. 27 ang inahabol ngayon ng Griffins. 50 to 23. Yung first half pa lang, nagpasabog na ang Hornets. Suarez to Nomo to Abangan for 3. Wala. Rebound, Abando. Sorry, that's Abando with the rebound. Terado. Terado to Silva. Silva to Nieto. Nieto with 10 to shoot. Silva looking for Lunar, but he was well defended there. So 5 seconds
5 seconds to shoot.
to shoot for the Griffins. Lunar for 3, wala pa rin. I don't think Lunar has scored tonight. So that's a big reason kung bakit ganito ang lamang ng Hornets. But on the other end, everything going right.
This is for 52 to 23.
Abangan with the layup, 52 to 23. 29-point lead for the Hornets. Under 5 minutes left in our third quarter. Terado, Tomres, wala pa rin. Hornets. Abangan, 3-on-2. Abangan all the way. Jeff Abangan gets it to go. So na, 31 points na lamang. Isang buwan na ang lamang ng Hornets. Lunar, he'll keep shooting, but unfortunately, he'll keep missing. May miscommunication doon. Pag walang nag-buzzer for substitution, dapat walang sa substitution. So again, referees warning the players, no? Dapat go to the scorer's table and wait for the referee's signal to go in the game. Okay, yan na. Pwede nang mag-sub ngayon. There will be substitutions coming in. So Abanya in for Lunar. Again, 33 points ang lamang ngayon ng Hornets, 56 to 23. Abanya to Nieto for 3. Short. So another missed 3-pointer for the Griffins. They've been like that the entire game. Forward pa. Oy, nice give and go play. Valencia to Pantalla. Sorry, si Nomo yun. So another timeout here for the Griffins. It's a 35-point lead.
Isang timeout na lang po para sa Griffins sa fourth quarter. Isang timeout na lang po para sa Griffins sa fourth quarter.
Okay, back to the ball game. 35 points is the deficit ng Griffins. Abando. Oy, traveling. Yeah, traveling yun. Sumobra ng isang step. So, balik sa Hornets ang bola. 3 minutes left in our third quarter. Valencia. Oy, nakatingin agad sa ring. So, nagbabol siya doon. Cruz. Wala. Rebound Abando. Silva to Maluntad to Abanya for 3. Wala. Rebound Abando and 1. John Abando. Lumalaban pa rin. So 3-point play for John Abando. Abando free throw is good. So 58-26 ang score natin. 2 minutes and 30 seconds left in our third quarter. Oy, pass. Wala. Valencia is fouled down low.
Number 3, his first.
Two shots for Lance Valencia. Mintis ang una. Sige, puka mo na dito. May sub ah, may sub. Okay, both free throws missed. Griffiths with the ball. Oy, yun.
Substitution.
Sayang, turnover there. So substitution, Santos in for Juarez. Great. So Santos to Valencia. Cross-court pass to Nomo for 3. Wala. Santos with the rebound. Santos nilabas. Ay, sayang yon. He did the hustle place. Pero andito si Silva with a 2-pointer. 58-28. Under 2 minutes left in our third quarter. Here's Cruz. Cruz with the jumper. Short. Rebound Valencia. Nilabas Santos. Santos for 3. Malakas. Rebound Abanya to Silva. Silva lays it in. 50-38. So 1 minute and 15 seconds left in our third quarter. Santos to Nomo. Nomo sa ilalim. Uy, too deep. Nomo loses it. Here's Abanya. Natakbo Griffins. Here's Silva. Silva to Esteves. Esteves to Abando. Huminto. Sumalaksak. Wala. Rebound Abangan. 45 seconds left in the third quarter. Abangan will wait for his teammates. Santos. Santos sumalaksak. No good. Rebound Cruz. Wala. Pero kanya pa rin ang offensive rebound. Cruz to Valencia. Valencia gets it to go. And back to a 30-point lead for the Hornets. 60-30. 20 seconds left in our third quarter. So looks like the Griffins will go for the last shot. Silva. Oy. Turnover by Maluntad. Santos with 4 seconds. Ayun, and that will count for that buzzer beater. And at the end of our third quarter, the Hornets are still in command here, 62-30. Okay, back to our ball game. Fourth quarter na tayo. By all accounts, this looks like Hornets victory. 32 points ang lamang nila, 62-30. Ardenas misses the jumper. Here's Gumila to Hubahib. Hubahib down low, it's good. Michael Hubahib with the 2 points. 64-30 as we chip away the first few seconds of the fourth quarter. Lunar is fouled by Hubahib.
Number 2, Hubahib, second.
Cardenas sa malaksak. And a turnover. Gumila forward pass to Pantalla with the basket. Paul Pantalla adds to the lead. 66-30. Lunar, fall away, wala. It has been that kind of night for Joshua Lunar. Firmalo, uy, nice pass to Gumila. Threading the needle, what a pass. 68-30. Again, just total domination on both ends for the Hornets. Maganda gising nila. Cardenas, wala. Rebound Firmalo. Firmalo, forward pass. 2 on none. Gumila will take it to the hoop. And the Griffins will call their last timeout of the game. Score is 70-30. Hornets in control. So back to the ball game. Griffins with possession. Again, this is not a good game if you're a Griffins fan. Abando, rebound, foul. Foul on Hubahib. Abando makes the first free throw. So after this game, we have Brusco versus the Tamaraws. Then our main game later, Kaiju versus Yokohama. So 2 out of 2 for Abando. 70-32 ang lamang ngayon ng Hornets. 3 points, wala. Rebound by Espina to Cardenas. To Lunar. Lunar will shoot. In and out. Ubahib to Gumila. Gumila to Firmalo. No good. Rebound Abando. Abando to Espina, who hits the jumper. 70-34. 7 minutes and 14 seconds left in our fourth quarter. So with this impending win, Hornets will go to 2-0, while the Griffins will drop to 1-1. Ubahib with the jumper, wala. Rebound Firmalo. Oy, sayang. What he got his own miss. Oy, wala pa rin. Sorry, misses there for Jay Firmalo. So Griffins will take the advantage here. Abando. Fouled and one. Basket is good. So a 3-point play for Abando. So Abando makes a 3-point play and Hornets call a timeout.
The score is 70-27.
Ilan pa lang? Tatlo pa lang. Dalawa pa sir.
Okay, back to the ball game. Hornets still on top here, 70-37, 33-point lead. May 6 minutes and 43 seconds na nalalabi sa ating laro. Alonzo, Bautista loses it. Matabang Griffin. Cardenas to Lunar. Lunar will shoot. Wala pa rin. Rebound, Espina. Espina to Abando. Abando with 10 to shoot. Hanap na screen. Oy, Tumres. Abando, wala. Rebound. Natapik ni Lunar pero napunta kay Valencia. Valencia to Alonzo. Wala. But Valencia is there for the rebound. Balik kay Alonzo. Oh, sorry, miss there. Oy, pero na-steal ni Alonzo to Bautista. Wala pa rin. Sayang yun. Multiple chances for the Hornets. Could not convert. Cardenas. He's fouled and one. Jose Cardenas. So Cardenas with a chance for the three-point play. 70-39 ang score. Cardenas with the free throw, wala. Rebound Valencia. Forward to Alonzo. Alonzo, wala. Pinapik palabas to Bautista for three. No good. Alonzo saves it to Cruz. Cruz to Juarez. Oy. Juarez pa din to Cruz. And 3 seconds. At itatawag ng referee. Too much camping in the lane. Five minutes and 10 left. The Griffins still down by 31 points. Cardenas to Espina. Espina, oy. Lunar, jumper, wala pa rin. Espina with a rebound. No good. Lunar with a rebound. Follow away. Ayun, finally, nakashoot si Lunar. Lead is 41-70. I should say the deficit is 41-70, 29 points. Alonzo to Bautista to Cruz with a jumper. Pasok. Kobe Cruz with a jumper. 4 minutes and 27 left in our fourth quarter. 72 Hornets, 41 Griffins. Abando for 3. Wala. Cruz will control the rebound. 4 minutes left in the ball game. Alonzo, malakas yung pasa. So some substitutions will come in for both teams. Again, it's a 31-point lead for the Hornets. It is looking to be a wire-to-wire victory for the Hornets. Four minutes to go in the ball game. Cardenas, jumper, short. Abando could not control the rebound. Here's Alonzo. Alonzo to Valencia to Nomo. And another 3-second violation. So the Griffins will attack here. Lunar with a jumper off the glass. Wala. Rebound Cruz. Cruz going left. Could not convert. Rebound still with the Hornets. Bautista for 3. Sorry, that's Pantalla rather. Pantalla hits the 3-pointer. 75-41. Babawi ba si Abando? No. Silva gets the offensive rebound. Lunar will try and he's fouled.
Foul number 91 is first.
Substitutions coming in for the Hornets. 3-man sub. So 2 shots for Joshua Lunar. Has not been a good offensive game, not been a good shooting game for Joshua Lunar. First free throw is good. Second free throw is good. So 3 minutes left. It's a 75-43 lead for the Hornets. Again, ang game natin after this, Brusco versus Tamaraos. Firmalo for 3, wala. Rebound Ubahib. Ubahib wala. Rebound Lunar. Cardenas against Pantalia. Cardenas to the runner. Wala. Put back by Abando. Wala. Rebound Nomo. Nomo to Pantalia for 3. Short. Ubahib saves it to Pantalia. Ooh. He hits the board there. Looks like he's okay. Firmalo. Wala. Firmalo gets the rebound. Fernandez will try a 3. Wala. Ubahib finally gets it to go. 77-43. As we hit the last 2 minutes of the ball game.
Last 2 minutes.
Cardenas misses. Firmalo with a rebound, and here's Fernandez. Pantalia for 3, malakas. Ubahib with a rebound. To Firmalo. Whoop, he's fouled.
Execution, foul number 6 is second.
So 2 shots for Jay Firmalo. An all-around team effort here for the Hornets as they secure their second win of the season. Firmalo's second free throw is no good. Oy, nakuha ni Pantalia and he's fouled.
Foul number 6 is third.
So foul on Lunar is third personal. So Pantalia will shoot 2 free throws. So again, with this win for the Hornets, they'll climb to solo first place for now. 2 wins and no losses. The Griffins will drop to 1-1. As Pantalia makes the second free throw. 79-43. 1 minute and 31 seconds left in our ball game. Again, we will interview our player of the game after this. And it will be posted within the week. No? An interview with our player of the game. Pantalia gets the fast break basket. 81-43. Cardenas against Juarez. Silva with a looping jumper is good. 81-45. So 1 minute left in the ball game. Abangan for 3, wala. Silva with the rebound. Oy, pero na intercept ni Juarez. Juarez, oy, blocked by Abando. Abando looking to push. Si Abangan lang ang mga bantay doon. Abando semi-dunks it. Medyo lay in. 81-47, 38 seconds left in the ball game. Firmalo, Tetres. No. Rebound Fernandez. Wala. Juarez to Firmalo again. 2 points for Jay Firmalo. Oy, bad pass. Bola na naman Hornets. Juarez to Pantalia for the 4. Shot from the PBA 4-point line. Pero 3 points lang yan. Silva is a 3. 83-50 with 8 seconds to go. Juarez fakes. Abangan for 3. Wala. And that'll do it. May 1.2 seconds pa tayo. Up. And no basket. So our final score, the Hornets with a wire-to-wire victory in dominant fashion, 83-50. And we will interview our player of the game in just a moment. Stop mo na. Stop mo na. Oh, stop. Player of the game. Okay.
Gio no.
Gio Noma.